Alright, what's up everybody? Last time I broke my camera, everybody know. So this time what happened is like I went to the new road and I got the new camera I got in a very cheap price because the display doesn't work. So I get this camera in a very cheap price, only 15,000 rupees. So this is my last camera, which I broke the memory card detector or whatever you call it. It's near battery grip. So I thought like, when I was thinking like, if I will change this display, which is working, then this camera, then I can use this camera. So I intend to give to the camera guy who is a camera fixer. He was about to charge me 1500 rupees to change this display to put over here. So I thought like, to earning is very hard, why to spend 1500? So I thought like I'll change myself. So here's the thing. I thought like I should be vlogging about it. So I'm going to shoot now. So it's a very simple thing you can do at your home. Have patience and you can do it. I know it's very simple thing, but you have to need this kind of thing to open the camera. So it's a very small thing, and yeah, let's begin. Okay, very small thing. I need to open these screws over here. ठीक अयो इन ऊपर से खींची तो एक चोटी कैमरा धीरे से उठाना रिकॉर्डिंग मिटा भाई यस्तो सजिलो कुराको लागि मैले झन्डै 1500 रुपैयाँ दिन लाग्थ्यो नि 1500 कमाउन कति गाह्रो छ हैन एकदमै किन आफै नगर्ने यदि आफूसँग टुल्स छ भने ल 1 आवर कै मैले 1000 लिन्छु ल 500 उले मलाई दिएर 1 आवरमा मेरो 1 घण्टामा मैले गाना सहनु पर्यो त्यो मान्छेको गीत गाउन नआउने मान्छेको तोड सहनु पर्यो 1 घण्टासम्म विचार गर्नु त्यसलाई मिलाउनु पर्यो त्यसको टेन्सन लिनु पर्यो त्यसको भोकल मिलाउनु पर्यो मैले अनि बल्ल त्यसले मलाई गाना फाइनल गरेर ल चेतन ब्रो 1500 भनेर दिन्छ हैन अनि त्यो 1500 लिनलाई मलाई दिमाग खराब बरु म आफै बनाउँछु यतिलाई के आउनु पर्ने हैन कला यसो दिमाग लाउनु पर्ने हो त्यति दिमाग प्रभुले दिइहाल्या छ एकपछि बुझादी होई अब क्यामेरा खोले लाग तब गर रिकॉर्डिंग स्टप वहाँ बाबा यहाँ रिकॉर्डिंग कोनम Alright friends, I found that this thing over here is very difficult to do it because I need to take out this thing from this and need to take out this. This thing is a small thing stuck over here. I need to take out this as well. So I'm trying my best to take out because I don't want to get rushed and make nothing. So I need to shut down the camera for just to take it out. These two flat wires are coming from display. This two wire will go, big wire will go over here, small wire will go over here. I think it's not in focus, but I'm trying my best to do the focus here. Anyway, just try to attach the display over here, then your problem solved. Alright guys, just doing from regular camera. I made this camera here. It is black and white now. Okay, I was just checking if I'm shooting or not. And this is working now. So this is the camera. Okay, here you can see. So it's okay now. Isn't it good? I made it. See you guys in the next vlog. Alright, peace.